Hi. So good afternoon. Okay. So there are newses. Okay. So if you scroll, okay, Instagram. So there are some recent newses about OYO, and it is getting more viral. So basically, that is the reason I just want to upload the details about OYO and also how that means Overall Travels Limited. Okay. So let's go deep into this video. So how they started, what are the history, and how they collect the money, everything, and upcoming IPO also coming. So that is the main reason I had updated this video. So let's check the video. What is happening here? Okay. So basically, OYO rooms. Okay, known as a OYO hotels and homes, and this is a Indian multinational hospitality chain of franchised hotels. Okay, basically they are not owning any places. Basically they give a franchisee hotels, homes, and living spaces. So it was founded by Ritesh Agarwal. Okay, so initially consisted many budget hotels. Okay, so people started choosing because their budget is good. So and when it come to so they're profitable. Okay, so they are in the financial year of 2023-24, I mean last year. Okay, so they are profitable around 229 crores, or 230 crores around. Okay, and as of January 2020, so currently we do not have an update because I tried to take it for, but I could not able to get it. But as of 2020, it has more than 43,000 properties and 1 million rooms. Okay, so basically 43,000 properties. In that properties, 1 million rooms across 800 cities, and not only in the cities and other countries too, around 80 countries. Okay, so they have a OYO facility available. Okay, but basically, okay, so let's go on to the history. So it was launched by Ritesh Agarwal, as I told, Orable Stays. After that they named a website called OYO. Okay, so they renamed it to OYO at 2013. So after launching, they receive a grant of $1 lakh as a part of Teal Fellowship. Okay, this is a program. Okay, so we will do it in upcoming videos. So most probably, if you want to do it, okay, so $1 lakh they received. Okay, and March 2026. Okay, after that, the 3 years they are into business. After March 2026, they acquire the team called ClickPass. Okay, ClickPass. So after 2018, okay, they acquired Chennai-based apartment operator. Okay, so basically they took the apartment and they named it as a OYO, and they gave it for a rent or so something like that in a day basis like that. Okay, in 2019, we all know there will be a COVID. Okay, so Airbnb, okay, OYO and Airbnb announced a strategic partnership. Okay, where OYO would be the list of their properties in the Airbnb platform. Okay, so basically in Airbnb platform, so that the foreigners can use more this. So that is the reason they announced this. So in March 2019, okay, OYO has announced 1,400 crore investment in India and South Asia business. Okay, so this is not in the world. So basically in India as well as South Asia. Okay, South Asia. And August 2029, okay, OYO made major investment. Okay, this is a huge investment they did in the United States while purchasing a Hooters Casino Hotel. Okay, so where it was located near Las Vegas Strip. Okay, so in the partnership with US based real estate company of $135 million. Okay, so they have made a partnership with this company, okay, Highgate, and they bought this hotel, okay, casino hotel. Okay, after August, June, what happened? Okay, they collaborated with, already they are into the business with Airbnb, and among them, okay, so Yatra and East My Trip also they collaborated with, so that they can acquire more clients. Okay, so basically they collaborated with. And after 2021 October, okay, OYO has appointment Deepa Malik as an independent director, and December 2021, okay, so former State Bank of India chairman. Okay, so former State Bank of India chairman, so Rajnish Kumar as a strategic group advisor, they announced this. Okay, so basically till now he is here, so he was following strategy. So you can understand from where he is. Basically he is from SBI, so you know all the financial things, and you know how to go into all these people. Okay, so basically this is how the business works, and you understand how MNC business is working. And May 2022, OYO announced the acquisition of Euro based company, okay, called Direct Booker. So that is also basically for a hotel room bookings, well, and valuing the later around for around $5.5 million. So basically they took it for $5.5 million. Even so, this is the reason I told they are in a worldwide, okay, not only in India. So September 2024, OYO agreed to buy American budget motel chain, okay. So and its hotel, okay, so around $525 million from the Blackstone company, okay. So this is what they did till now, okay. So till September 2024, basically there are more foreign investors, as you can see, and there are a lot of partnership, okay, with Airbnb like Yatra. So there are a lot of partnership also upcoming is there, and more FIFs were there. So if you look deep into OYO, and let me come to our part, and what is the recent news that went viral, okay. So OYO has announced the new rules for an unmarried couple, okay. So unmarried couples were not allowed into the OYO hotels basically, and the married couple have to submit the valid proof if you want to enter into the hotel, okay. So this is what they announced, and all the people, so the netizens made it viral. So basically we all know, so for what reason they used the OYO for, and but okay. So the internet users saying that, okay, OYO is digging the own grave in India, okay. So only in India, this is allowed only in India. So basically, but if you look into this, okay, matter deep, okay. So and you can see the proof, okay. This is Times of India news. So the people are saying, okay, this might be a, and there are two so some people say OYO digging their own grave, but some people say, okay, so unmarried couple can book 2 rooms. So that there might be a business strategies too, okay. 2 rooms, and okay. So basically they paid 2 rooms for one stay, okay. So this is a additional revenue for OYO, okay. So this is what they commented basically. So there are, okay, lot of negative news also, even positive news also, but as per my perspective, okay, we all know, okay. So basically before going into this, okay, let's see, so why they have made this kind of rules and changes. OYO IPO is coming, okay, and they have announced before itself. OYO IPO is coming, they have announced before itself, but okay, but still now it not yet confirmed basically, and they are expecting on March 2025, okay. So in March first week they are expecting, but the dates are not yet confirmed yet. So what is the price band of this, okay. So what is the price band of this? Around 55 rupees to 58 rupees they are expecting per share. So what is the minimum investment required for this? Around 14,800 rupees for retail, and 2 lakh rupees for small NIIs, and 10 lakh rupees for big NIIs, okay. So OYO IPO issue, okay, basically, okay, IPO worth of 8,430 crore rupees, okay. So basically they want to do, okay, issue and 1,430 crore rupees as a offer sale. So they want to issue this 7,000 crore as a fresh issue and 1,430 as a offer sale. So this is how IPO they will apply it. So 8,000 crore rupees IPO, it might be a biggest IPO, one of the biggest IPO as well, okay. And because of this IPO, okay, because of this IPO, and we all know what is the reason OYO used for. So most probably 80% or 90% of the business, and as I know, I'm from Bangalore, okay, and I know so what reason they are using for, and even you know that, okay. So there is nothing to hide. So this might be a, okay, if they tell like this kind of this might be a, okay, marketing strategy while going viral on social media. So everyone talk about OYO, correct. So the name will easily get reach, okay. After that, okay, so maybe for example, let's assume, okay, so they announced the IPO, and the IPO they bought it, and the market got listed, okay, it got listed into the market. After that, okay, there will be any kind of issue, some issue. So unmarried couple get caught in the OYO while, okay, from their parents, okay, or some complaint happened. All these news and all bad news for OYO that will affect the shareholders or investors, correct. So maybe some FIA were doing very huge investment into this company, and he saw this kind of news. What he will do? He will of course sell the whatever the asset he had, correct, because he don't want to do it. You don't want to invest in a bad name companies. So and no one want to do it. So that is the main reason they made all these kind of rules. Maybe possibly, okay. So you think in my perspective, so you may understand. So don't want to get the bad name after they enter into the market, okay. But okay, so it may affect the share value, correct, as I told. Even some small bad news can affect very longer value. Okay, so it will affect their business, and it may make OYO bankrupt. Okay, but basically, okay, and they are planning other ideas too. That is what I mentioned over here. OYO may back out of IPO plan. Okay, up for a private raise. Okay, basically IPO is a public raise, and maybe they are looking for a private raise. Okay, private raise. So basically they were looking for a funds to develop, okay, develop the business. So this is what happened with OYO. And stop trolling, okay, start analyzing, so that you can do, okay, you can be wise, and you can be the financial freedom as well, basically. So this is how it works. So I hope this will be useful for you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.